everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of international SEO strategies. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, businesses are no longer confined to their geographical boundaries. They are reaching out, expanding, and making their presence felt on the global stage. But before you set sail on this exciting journey, there's a critical first step you need to take: understanding your target markets. When we say, understand your target markets, we're talking about more than just identifying the countries or regions you want to reach. It's about delving deeper, getting to the heart of that market. You need to explore the cultural nuances, language preferences, and search behaviors of your potential audience. Why is this important, you ask? Well, culture shapes how people perceive information. It influences their preferences and decision-making processes. For instance, a website color scheme that works well in one country might be less appealing or even offensive in another. Language, on the other hand, is the medium through which we communicate. It's not just about translating your content into different languages. It's about understanding the subtle nuances, the colloquialisms, the idioms that make each language unique. It's about speaking your audience's language, both literally and figuratively. And then there's search behavior. How do people in your target market use search engines? What keywords do they use? What times of the day or week are they most active? The answers to these questions can provide valuable insights that can inform your SEO strategy. Understanding your target markets is about embracing diversity. It's about acknowledging that what works in one market may not work in another. It's about being flexible and adaptable. And most importantly, it's about respecting your audience, their culture, their language, and their preferences. So before you embark on your international SEO journey, take the time to understand your target markets. Research, analyze, and gain insights. Because knowing your target markets is the first step in tailoring your content and SEO efforts to resonate with diverse audiences. It's the first step towards global success. Next, let's talk about optimizing your website for relevant keywords in different languages. The recipe for successful international SEO is not just about translating your content. It's about adapting your content and tailoring it to your audience's language and culture. And that includes keywords. How do you go about this? By using tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify high-volume keywords in your target languages. These tools are designed to help you understand what your global audience is searching for online. They provide insights into the most popular search terms in different regions, allowing you to target your SEO efforts more effectively. For instance, if you're targeting French-speaking audiences, you'll want to find out what keywords they're using when they search for products or services similar to yours. But here's where it gets interesting. You need to consider regional variations and colloquialisms. Yes, the same language can have different dialects and colloquial terms depending on the region. Let's say you're in the business of selling sneakers. In American English, the term sneakers is commonly used. But if you're targeting customers in the UK, they're more likely to search for trainers. In Australia, they might use the term runners. So even within English-speaking countries, the terminology can vary widely. So the key here is to think globally, but act locally. Understand the linguistic nuances of your target markets and optimize your website accordingly. Not only does this make your content more relatable to your audience, but it also helps search engines understand the relevance of your content to specific geographic regions. And remember, SEO is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. As language evolves, so do search habits. Therefore, regular keyword research is essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and changes in search behavior. Optimizing for multilingual keywords ensures your content aligns with local search queries. It's about speaking your audience's language, literally and figuratively. And when you can do that, your website's visibility on the global stage is bound to improve. Now, onto the technical aspects of international SEO, Hreflang tags and geotargeting. Let's begin with Hreflang tags. These are snippets of code that you add to your web pages to tell search engines which language you're using on a specific page. This allows search engines to serve the right content to the right users. For example, if you have a web page in English and a similar one in French, you would use Hreflang tags to indicate which one is for English speakers and which one is for French speakers. It's like giving a roadmap to search engines, guiding them to the appropriate content based on a user's location and language preference. This not only enhances the user experience but also helps improve your SEO performance. The search engine understands your content better, which can lead to higher rankings in search results for your targeted languages and regions. Now, let's talk about geotargeting. This is where Google Search Console comes into play. This tool allows you to specify the target country for your website. By doing this, you're telling search engines where your target audience is located. Imagine you're a business based in the United States, but you're targeting customers in Canada. By setting Canada as your target country in Google Search Console, you're signaling to search engines that your content is specifically tailored for a Canadian audience. This can have a positive impact on your site's visibility in your specified region. It's like putting a spotlight on your website for your target audience, making it easier for them to find you in the vast digital landscape. So, whether you're a global enterprise or a local business aiming to reach international audiences, remember that Hreflang tags and geotargeting are your allies. They help search engines understand your content and who it's for, leading to more relevant traffic and better SEO performance. But remember, these are just tools. It's how you use them that will ultimately determine your success. Always ensure that your Hreflang tags are correctly implemented and your geotargeting settings accurately reflect your target audience. Proper implementation of Hreflang tags and geotargeting can significantly enhance your site's visibility in specified regions. With the increasing use of mobile devices worldwide, mobile optimization is a must. And that's not all. Localized content creation is equally important. In today's digital landscape, a mobile-optimized website is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. With over half of the world's web traffic coming from mobile devices, it's clear that the future of browsing is mobile. And guess what? Google knows this too. That's why mobile-friendly websites get a significant boost in Google's search rankings. But what does it mean to be mobile-friendly? It means your website should have a responsive design. That is, it should automatically adjust and look great on all devices, be it a desktop, a tablet, or a smartphone. Next, let's talk about page speed. We've all experienced the frustration of a slow-loading website, right? It's a surefire way to lose visitors. In fact, studies show that a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a 7% decrease in conversions. Therefore, optimizing your website's page speed is crucial, especially for mobile users who often rely on slower, less reliable mobile data connections. Now let's switch gears a bit and talk about localized content. What do we mean by this? Localized content is content that is specifically crafted to resonate with local audiences. It goes beyond mere translation of text. It involves understanding the cultural nuances, preferences, and trends of your target audience. It's about making your content feel native to its audience, whether they're in Tokyo, Toronto, or Timbuktu. So, how do you create localized content? Start by understanding your target audience, their language, their culture, and their search behavior. Then tailor your content accordingly. Use local idioms, references, and examples. Make sure your content aligns with local search queries and resonates with the local audience. A mobile-optimized website with localized content not only improves user engagement, but also boosts your site's relevance to a specific region. In the end, remember, mastering international SEO is not just about reaching a global audience. It's about reaching the right audience, in the right way, at the right time. It's about creating a global presence with a local feel. So, gear up and embrace this journey towards global success. Let's now focus on building a diverse and high-quality backlink profile with an international focus. The goal here is to enhance your website's authority and credibility in your target regions. How do we do this? By seeking backlinks from reputable websites in those specific countries. Consider collaborating with influencers, bloggers, or businesses in your target countries. Guest posting and content partnerships are great ways to secure these valuable backlinks. The key is to create content that adds value to the audiences of these partner websites, enticing them to click through to your site. Additionally, keep an eye on your competitors' backlink profiles. Tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can help you identify where they're getting their backlinks from. This can give you insights into potential backlink opportunities in your target regions. Remember, it's not just about quantity. Quality matters. A single backlink from a highly reputable site can be worth more than numerous links from lesser-known sites. An effective international backlinking strategy enhances your website's authority and credibility in target regions, positively impacting your search engine rankings. In conclusion, mastering international SEO involves a holistic approach that considers linguistic, cultural, and regional factors. We've explored the importance of understanding your target markets, adapting to their language preferences and cultural nuances. We've discussed the significance of multilingual keyword research and how tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you align your content with local search queries. We've delved into the technical aspects of SEO, such as implementing Hreflang tags and geotargeting in Google Search Console to enhance your website's visibility in specific regions. We've also emphasized the need for mobile optimization and localized content creation to resonate with global audiences. Lastly, we've outlined the value of a robust international backlinking strategy to boost your website's authority and credibility. Remember, achieving global success is a journey, not a destination. Keep refining your strategies and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your online presence.